In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete shared with me items from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up that section so it only shows the files you actually need. Start by opening your web browser and heading to a Google page, like the Google homepage or Gmail. Make sure you're signed into the account where the files were shared with you. In the top right corner, look for the grid of 9 dots, the Google Apps icon. Click that to open the app launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Drive. This is the quickest way to jump straight into your Google Drive without typing a separate address. Once Google Drive loads, look to the left sidebar and click Shared with Me. This view shows files and folders that other people have shared with your account. It's normal for this space to get cluttered over time, especially if you collaborate frequently, so cleaning it up can make your drive feel a lot more manageable. Now browse the list and find the file or folder you want to remove from this section. Click the item once to select it. You'll see it highlighted when it's selected. If you need to tidy up several items at once, you can hold Shift to select Arrange, or hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to pick individual items. Just make sure the items you choose are the ones you no longer need quick access to. With your selection ready, look at the toolbar across the top of Drive and click the trash bin icon. In the Shared with Me view, this action removes the item from your Shared with Me list. You're not deleting the original file from the owner's drive, and you're not taking it away from anyone else. Think of it as clearing a shortcut from your space. You may see a brief confirmation message letting you know the item was removed. A couple of helpful reminders as you do this. If you ever need the item again, you can still access it through a direct link, your recent activity, or by asking the owner to share it again. Also, if you're working in My Drive on files you own, the trash bin actually moves items to your trash, which is different from simply removing a shared shortcut, so always check which view you're in before clicking. That's it. Open Drive from the Google Apps grid, go to Shared with Me, select what you no longer need, and click the trash bin to remove it from your list. Your shared space will feel cleaner right away.